Status change automations in Monday.com. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a status change automation in your Monday.com. So let's get into it. So first of all, automations basically help automate everything very easily, and you don't have to do that yourself manually again and again. So how you can basically make an automation which reminds you or notifies someone whenever a status changes from completed to, let's say, done, or from completed to stuck or something like that. So you need to click on this option which says automation, and in here you're going to find all the automations that you can basically make. So if you want to add a new automation, you can just click on that and make a custom automation for yourself, or you can just go to Automation Center and you will find a couple of automations that have already been made and you can use them as well. So here you can see here you're going to find when status changes to something, notify someone. So this is the automation that you're looking for. Click on this automation and you can basically integrate, as you can see, when status changes to something. So when status changes to add a new column, when status add a new sub item column. So let's say the status changes to anything, like it can change to anything, or you can basically make it something specific, like stuck, future steps, on hold, or something. I'm just going to make it anything. When status changes to anything, then notify someone. If you can change it to notify, you can make it a board name, username, or you can hey, and you can type in a message. You can just click on notify someone, who, me, team member, people, let's say me. So whenever status changes to anything, item name, add populate fields, board names and everything, sub item name, sub due date or something, let's say completion date. So then task completion date, and I'm going to save. Okay, then notify Ayman Hafiz. So this is the automation that I'm going to create automation, and your automation has been created. Whenever the status changes to anything, I'm going to be notified and I will be basically made aware that this has been changed to this. So this is how basically you can add this automation. You can turn it off anytime you don't want it, but I basically recommend to make it turn it on all the time, so that you are notified whenever something changes. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and bye bye.